Hey everybody, this is Alan Fine, and I'm here with Rudy Soderman, who you recognize, who is what's your title?
I'm the chef culinary. Just kidding. I'm the master chef of Holland America line. This great company is 150 years old. It's time to celebrate, isn't it?
Yes. And this is Insider Travel Report. So Rudy, this is what I want to know, since they're promoting the 150th anniversary of the crossing from Rotterdam to New York, and they're going back and doing old recipes. I want to hear about your research and what that was like for you.
You know, it's fascinating. This company is 150 years old. I remember when I celebrated 150 years, I was the executive chef for Cunard Line. Can you imagine? Mm-hmm. And it is a historic moment now with Holland America Line to be here and recreate recipes for the next 150 years crossing in April 4th. This will be an amazing cruise. This was an amazing cruise now, coming over from Holland to America. The next one coming back in April 4th. Better book a cruise right now, I tell you this.
Right. If you want to sample these historic recipes, you've got to book this cruise.
Yeah, this will be very exciting.
So where did you do your research?
You know, matter of fact, I have menus backdating over 100 years.
That are in the...
guests gave it to me over the 15 years, and we have a collection of menus which dated back to 130 years back. So
But they're menus, then you had to do the forensics and had to come up with the recipe? Or could you find the recipes?
Well, I have cookbooks dating back 100 years. But generally speaking, as a chef, is a lot of passion goes inside, a lot of research, and we all chemistic. We as chefs are, we're chemists. We go into do it.
You're chemist artists.
Yeah, exactly. And then we take it from a different way to the next level. And for example, a cauliflower puree was there 150 years ago. If you think about it, a steak was there, chicken was there, but they had classical French names. There was boulanger, la madrine, all these kind of names.
Disguising it.
Exactly. But there was plenty of items on the menu.
But then there's also the art of how you plate it.
Sure. And here comes my artistic way in here. I think we could not plate anything which has been plated then. I'm sure it was beautiful. Mm-hmm. I'm sure.
We don't have any photos that we can...
No, we have no photos, unfortunately. But if you look at the Escoffier or the Belarus, all these beautiful old cookbooks which I have in home in my collection, if you look at back 200 years of cooking or 150 years of cooking, can you imagine what those chefs at that time went through? Can you imagine?
No, yeah.
I mean, fascinating.
Also.
So if we go really in the history, but the beauty is of Holland America Line, this company has evolved over the years to an amazing, powerful brand. Mm-hmm. And with Holland America Line.
But we're celebrating 150th anniversary of all the food, but what about the cleanup? They must have new machines. It must be a lot easier now to clean up.
Sure. Well, I cannot even imagine 150 years ago how it worked. Right. But sure, it was also an amazing time at that time. Mm-hmm. The cuisine was pure. The items were fresh.
Which is what you strive for now.
Yeah, sure. But at this time, there was the ice blocks covered inside in the boxes to keep it fresh. It was a different time. Do I want it to be 150 years ago or now? I prefer now.
So, Rudy, thank you for taking us for this culinary historic trip. And your travel advisors start talking to your clients about doing just the same thing.
I really want to bring across to all Holland America Line fans out there, of cruising transatlantic fans. The next cruise starts April 4th, I think. I will be on.
So that's another reason to go on that cruise. Anyway, Rudy, thank you. And this is Alan Fine for Insider Travel Report.